had a really bad face rash sophomore year of college, kind of like on this side right here, and I have really bad rosacea and everything, and so it really just created a lot of acne scars. Cysts, I have PCOS and Crohn's disease, so it's created a lot of cysts and scarring. Main face area where not my scarring was kind of just felt like a little like cold hot spoon, I guess, but not anything uncomfortable. Definitely where my scarring was a little bit spicier, a little bit hotter, but nothing super uncomfortable. Like I didn't feel like I needed to jump out and run away. It was very quick, went over really fast. Right now I feel like I kind of have an intense sunburn, but I know it'll go away and cool down once the Aquaphor on. So that's good.